Ladies and gentlemen, the Sphere, the newest and most impressive attraction on Las Vegas so far. Even though its exterior looks great by itself, what's inside is even more interesting than you might expect. So, let's take a closer look. Las Vegas is famous for its unique and extravagant buildings. Its fancy hotels and casinos are some of the most famous structures worldwide. From the Venetian to the Bellagio and the MGM Grand, everything in Vegas is made to be big and fancy. So, creating a building as wild and unbelievable as the Sphere is just one more thing that adds to the city's special skyline. But what is it exactly, and why are they building it? The Las Vegas Sphere. This Sphere stands as a music and entertainment arena, positioned just a block away from the renowned Las Vegas Strip. With a towering height of more than 100 meters and a diameter spanning 150 meters, it has proudly achieved the world record for being the largest spherical structure globally. This esteemed title was previously held by Sweden's Avicii Arena. Bringing to life a structure of such magnitude comes with a substantial cost. The estimated expense for the entire project reaches a staggering $2.3 billion, solidifying its position as the most financially demanding entertainment venue in the history of Las Vegas. Given its immense proportions and nearly flawless spherical design, constructing this masterpiece proved to be a profoundly formidable undertaking. The construction of this building needed advanced mathematics, but we won't be delving into the specifics. The engineers were kind enough to share some of the math on their website, but it's pretty tricky and technical, so we don't need to be concerned about all those details. Constructing the Sphere. Being the very first project of its size, specialized equipment was necessary for its completion. That's why one of the biggest cranes globally was brought from Belgium to lift the heaviest materials. Interestingly, the crane itself was so massive that it had to be put together using another crane for more than 2 weeks. A crucial part that needed special lifting was a steel compression ring, which served as the very top of the structure's frame. Although it might not seem that way, this part alone weighs as much as 2 Boeing 757 airplanes. This wouldn't have been possible without the specialized crane's help. After the finishing touches are done, the Sphere will be able to hold up to 18,000 people all at once. But apart from hosting concerts, the place was also designed for award shows, launching products, and even esports tournaments. The creators of the Sphere are even planning to make a similar structure in London and eventually in many other places worldwide. You might be asking yourself, why make a Sphere? Well, the answer is quite simple. Because it's Las Vegas, and they have the capability. The building looks different from all the other ones around it. And even though it might stand out in the city's view, that's exactly the idea. Las Vegas is known for having extravagant architecture that grabs your attention from far away. Trust me, its exterior will definitely catch your eye. Exterior screen. On the 4th of July, visitors and locals in Las Vegas got to see what the Sphere really looks like. A total of 1.2 million tiny lights turned on for the first time, creating a stunning show of light and colors. The building introduced itself to everyone in Vegas. People on the ground and online quickly started talking about how amazing the structure is and the clever engineering that made it. Covering an area of nearly 56,000 square meters, the outside of the building shows off the biggest LED screen worldwide. It's also the largest screen that can play videos of any kind. To make this clear, the screen size is more than 60,000 times bigger than a regular 55-inch TV you might have at home. The screen wraps around the whole building, so the place can turn into almost anything you can think of. They've already shown things like the moon, a basketball, and even a human eye. Companies are even thinking about using the screen as a gigantic sign for ads. This would be a big chance for both advertisers and the people who made the Sphere. When they first told everyone about this project in 2018, the creators wanted it to change how we enjoy live shows. Las Vegas is famous for its entertainment, so there are many music places and big rooms there. To truly stand out, the Sphere had to give an experience that was one of a kind and couldn't be found anywhere else. And they definitely succeeded in making that happen. The sphere's interior. First off, inside the sphere, there's going to be a really big LED screen that wraps all around following the curved shape of the roof. Even though it's smaller compared to the huge one on the outside, the indoor screen is still amazing. It covers a space of 15,000 square meters, making it the biggest and highest quality wraparound screen globally. To make the best stuff to show on this impressive screen, the creators of the sphere had to come up with their special camera system called the Big Sky. This system is among the most powerful in the world and can handle extremely high quality videos, like 18K with 120 frames per second. If these numbers sound strange, just know that it's really advanced stuff. But that's not all. The place will also have some of the most modern and cutting-edge sound technology. It has a spatial audio system with over 160,000 individual speakers that makes the sound seem like it's coming from all around you and for everyone inside to enjoy the same high-quality audio. Even if you're far from the stage, you'll hear everything. This system can even play different languages at the same time. The person next to you might hear Spanish while you hear English. The president of the sphere described it as wearing headphones without the headphones for every seat in the building. That's pretty cool, but the fun doesn't stop with just the audio visuals. Around 10,000 seats will have haptic technology installed that lets you feel what's happening on the screen. You can feel 4D elements like wind and even smell things that match what's on the screen. The creators want the experience to feel so real that you might start wondering if it's really happening, as stated by the president of the sphere during a talk. All this cool technology is still quite new. Because of this, they opened a whole studio in 2022 just to make content for the sphere. This studio wants to work with different filmmakers and musicians to make special and unique experiences for the Las Vegas sphere and the other ones they want to build later. Even though most people from all over the world have liked this amazing building, there have also been some fair criticisms about how it was built. Criticisms about the sphere. Certain Las Vegas drivers have expressed worries about the sphere's lights being too bright and possibly distracting. This brightness is causing concern because it might affect driving safety around the area. To address this, officials are consistently collaborating with the local government to create safety rules. Another point of criticism is aimed at the sphere's future location in London. The local government there recently approved a similar outside display with lots of LEDs. However, people living nearby are worried that this building will add up to the problem of too much light at night. These residents believe that while a brightly lit building might work for a place like Las Vegas, it's not suitable for a well-developed city and a residential area like Stratford in East London. Even with these worries, one thing is clear. The Las Vegas sphere is a truly amazing feat of engineering that the world has never seen before. Only time will tell if it will be successful or not. So what are your thoughts about the Las Vegas sphere? Share them and let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.